Starting route to Fraser Hill Clock Tower.
Far to the highlands, exploring the colonial era in a rainforest of Malaysia. We had to drive around 100 km away north from Kuala Lumpur, passing by the large greenery and traveling through various towns to reach the gap. Since there are no public transport, it's better to arrange a cab or even bicycle. In addition, Fraser Hill is a popular cycling area for both road cyclists and mountain bikers. In between, sometimes sun play hide and seek behind the dark clouds and then suddenly start drizzling. Bukit Fraser Road. This is the base station before an 8-kilometer narrow road start winding up to the highlands. Cutting through the beautiful rainforest scenery and mountain reaches, this road remained the only route of access up to Fraser Hill. If you have a car, then moving around will be a breeze, but make sure proper servicing is done and the oil tank is full. Since there are no petrol station or service center around, there is only a police station at the hilltop in case of emergency. Fraser Hill is a unique and calm, family-friendly hilltop. Complex Pelangkongan is a very beautifully decorated and landscaped place with many colorful flowers and plants along with an open area at the center. Adjacent to it is Mimi Strawberry Restaurant selling some very good coffee and cakes to sit and enjoy in this cool place. There is a nicely paved pathway with a red kited post, full bloom flowers, resting benches, and post box, and a well decorated ancient telephone booth. On the other side of the clock tower, there is a hotel called Pankok Inn and a restaurant, The Olio, designed in an old Scottish style. There is on-road parking in front of the hotel by the side of the roads nearby. Fraser Hill is also home to one of the oldest golf courses in Malaysia. The 9-hole golf course was constructed in 1925 on a former tin mine, which is now called FAGC. Tourism. They offer an enthusiastic activity at the paddock, operating from 8:30 am to 6:30 pm with a heavy dependency on the weather here. Taking a walk down the hill on the nicely whitewashed, fenced pathway is a pleasure. With some reasonable fees, kids or even adults can enjoy horse riding under supervision in this picturesque little equestrian center. Basically, the economy of Fraser Hill relies on tourism. You can also learn or explore your skills on the archery and blowpipe. Allen's Water. This is a lake which was formerly a dam that served as reservoir supplying fresh water to Fraser Hill. The name was a tribute to Mr. J.H. Allen, an assistant engineer who came to Fraser Hill and surveyed much of area and mooted the idea of building a dam. Since the water intake demand increased, authorities built a bigger one nearby and converted this to a recreational lake, providing boating and other activities. With lots of old and big fishes on the lake, it's a kind of loving place. You can purchase fish food from here for feeding them. No fishing is allowed here, so enjoy your time seeing them play and gulping their food. You can also go for boating with 2 persons per head with life jacket on. For kids, they follow some height and weight restrictions, although the lake is not too big, but I found this place sitting on the lap of the nature with hills encircling and clouds coming down to you. It's very beautiful. Swan and ducks playing in the lake, enjoying bath and having food from the water. Kids too like to spend some time with them here. Opposite to Allen's Water, there is a small temple. On climbing some steps down the hill, you can visit Sri Munishwara Temple. A small greenhouse known as Glasshouse was opened in July 2018, which showcases various cacti and a very good nursery to visit. This place also includes a cafe. This cafe serves some very tasty cheesecakes and some hot beverages, which is indeed a necessity in this cold atmosphere. There is also a small children's park nearby and some camping spots. Thus, we personally like this place to visit and swim. It was a misty and brisk morning. The sound of chirping birds and the cold breeze whispering through the tall pine trees. And then suddenly the sun rays find its pathway through the wide cold clouds, come out of the room for morning exercise and go for a walk. This is Pine Resort, where you can also hire bicycle to roam around in the Fraser Hill. They have a restaurant and also some indoor games to enjoy during your stay. Halting at 0 km Fraser Hill milestone. We headed for a lunch at Aidadania restaurant. We like the spicy chicken fried rice here and sandwiches. Kids enjoy ice cream in this cold weather. You can also try to order cream tea, which consists of scones, cakes, jam, cream pie and brownies along with piping hot tea. If you get a seat on the balcony, then you can also enjoy the eye-soothing landscape of hill in front of you. Here, you have a parking space outside and also some massage chairs inside to re-energize you. This place gets crowded very soon, so try to reach early. Slowly coming downhill from Clock Tower, leaving the Fraser Hill behind. On the way, we stopped at a small waterfall called Ayatajun where you can halt for a picnic or some camping. This was another beautiful picturesque landscape in front of our eyes. Tourism in KKB or Kuala Kubu Baru offers a lot of activities including whitewater rafting, paragliding and so on at this place. There is a huge water body and a widespread ground having tables scattered to sit and eat. The water is so still here with some ripples it looks like a mirror. Fraser Hill hosts almost 250 migratory and residential bird species. It encourages the preservation of nature and promotes Fraser Hill as a bird sanctuary. They also host a bird watching festival in June. With the world changing as fast as it can, I find this place quite refreshing where they still embrace the nature. So please encourage us to make more videos by liking and subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.